Here's a YouTube channel idea that you can do without showing your face or your voice, and this will only take you about 15 to 20 minutes of work per day. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about a YouTube channel idea that will only take you like 15 or 20 minutes of work per day, and you won't have to show your face, you won't have to use your voice, and the whole process is actually very easy. I'm actually going to create one of those videos for this particular YouTube channel just to show you how easy it is, and you can do it as well. So if you check those two YouTube channels that have opened up here, you got one here called The Amazing Fact, and there's another one called Did You Know? Both of those channels have a few thousand subscribers, and as you can see, what they do is they post videos about different facts that you might not be aware of. They both do exactly the same thing, and a lot of their videos are simple, really images that they are showing where they are teaching their audience about something that they most probably did not know. And the reason why those videos tend to do very well is because it really invokes a lot of curiosity. Okay, you see those videos on your homepage and you really wonder what it is that you're going to learn that you didn't know was true, and what are those facts that nobody knows about, and those are one of those kind of channels where the thumbnails is very important. But as you can see, those channels tend to do fairly well. This guy's getting a few thousand views on every video, and he's posting very regularly. Like he posted one yesterday, one 2 days ago, and there's another one a few hours ago. So as you can see, those channels tend to do very well. Also, as you can see, 192,000 views, 178,000 views. So if we open one of their videos, you'll see that this video here, The Amazing Fact, a lot of their videos, as you can see, are simple images. There's nothing really extraordinary about them. It's really simple images that you would read what it's talking about. And as you can see, if we look at some of their stats, this channel has 1.1 million views in the last 30 days, so about 1 million views per month, and it gets around 35,000 views per day. So even if, let's say, they were only getting like $1 or $2 per thousand views, because those kind of channels will most probably not have a high CPM. So even if they were only getting like $1 or $2 per thousand views, that would still be like 35 to 70 bucks per day that they are doing just by posting simple videos with images on them, where they are not showing their face and they are not doing using their voice or whatever. So how can you create a channel similar to these and get started with this? Okay, so there's a few steps that you will have to follow. Okay, step number one is you need to get images that you're going to use in your videos. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in, let's say, facts did you know, because this channel, as you can see, is the did you know about facts. So you can type like facts did you know, and then you will see a bunch of different websites showing up. The easy way, you could simply go to images and go through some of the images that pops up. As you can see, all those images are about different facts that you were not aware of. If you don't want to go through the images, you can simply go through some of those websites. As you can see, 75 facts, 59 facts, 125 interesting facts. So there's a lot of content for you to use in here. Okay, and something else that you can do that will give you even more content. You can simply type in facts you didn't know, and then see what what Google suggests you. For example, as you can see, I wrote facts you didn't know, and then I pressed the space bar, and those are the keywords that Google is telling me I can find content around. Facts you didn't know about, facts you didn't know were true, facts you didn't know you needed to know about vegetarians, about yourself, about cats, about Christmas. So there's a ton of different content you can find here, and you can take it a step even further. Let's say I was to write the letter A. So now it would tell me facts you didn't know about vegetarian, about yourself, about cats, about Christmas. If I type, let's say, B, facts you didn't know about BTS, about Black history, about Barack Obama, about Blackpink. So as you can see, there's so many different types of content that you can find just around the facts niche. So there's really no shortage of content or ideas or even images that you can come up with for this one. You could even take it a step further by, creating images yourself if you want to. Obviously, that will require a little bit more work on your side, but this will make it more unique to your channel if you do that as well. So step 1 was to get the images. Step 2 now is to get a background sound or music that you can use in your videos, because you want your videos to have some kind of music, right? So what you can do is you can go to the YouTube library, and you can simply upload and download a ton of free copyright-free music. Those are music that YouTube provides to its creators. You won't have any copyright issues using those kind of music. You can simply go through some of them and simply download whichever one you want to use on your videos. So once you've done that, now step number 3 is to create your videos. Now, an easy way to do this, which is also free, you can simply go on canva.com, which is a free photo and video creation tool and editing tool. And what you can do is simply click on video and then click on video here in order to create your video. Once you've done that, you will be presented with a blank Canva that you can start working on. So just for the sake of a demonstration, I've already downloaded like 3 different pictures to use, and I've already downloaded a background music from the YouTube library that I'm going to use in here to show you how you can do this very, very quickly. So what you're going to do here is you're going to come to your blank Canva here. You will have to upload your images. I've already uploaded like 3 images to use, and then you also want to upload an audio. So you want to click on images, upload media, or audio, upload media. I've already uploaded one of the YouTube library. So what you're going to do is this will be your blank Canva for your YouTube videos. And what you could do is you could add like a small background to it. So let's say I was going to add this to the background. Let's say a gray background. Let me resize this. Let me make sure that it fills the whole screen. There you go. And then what I would do is I would simply duplicate this. Let's duplicate this, right click and duplicate page. Let's go back to the first scene. And what you're going to do now is you're going to go and add your images. So let's say we were to add this one. I clicked on this. You want to resize this, make sure that it fits the screen properly. You want to put it right in the middle. Let's go for the second one. Let's put this one. Let's resize this as well. Let's make sure it's right around in the middle. And then let's go for the third one. Let's put this image again. Let's resize this and make sure it fits the screen perfectly. Right there you go. Once you've done that, and now it's time to add your audio. So simply go to your audio tab where you uploaded your audio. Simply click on it, and as you can see, it will be added to the background to the background video. You can simply add more audio if you want to by clicking on other audio that you would have uploaded. Okay, once you have that, you can also add a transition between each scene, because if we go through each scene, you will see that the transition is very basic. So what you can do is you can click on the plus sign, add a transition. So those are the different transitions that you can use. Let's say we were to use this one here, line wipe. Let's click on this. Let's add a transition here as well. Let's say line wipe. There you go, and there you go. Now we have our video created. It only took us like a few minutes. You have our scene, our background music, and our transition. So let's play. Let's see how it looks like. This is how it would look like with the background music and the transition as well. As you can see, this took only a few minutes to create, and it's really not that bad. It's very similar to some of those videos that we saw earlier. So step 1 of this whole process was to get images off of Google, and then step 2 was to look for a background music off of the YouTube library. Step 3 was to create a video on Canva. Step 4 is to create a thumbnail. So you want to create a thumbnail in order to be able to use it on your YouTube videos. Then step 5 is to upload your videos to YouTube. You can add a description, add your YouTube thumbnail, and then step 6 is to rinse and repeat. Just do it again and again and again. Those videos, as I've showed you, only takes a few minutes to create. You can easily create a few of those videos every single day, and then simply rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, and do it again and again and again and again. One word of advice I want to share with you is you need to be very consistent with this in order for this to work for you. Okay, if you're going to do this for 1 or 2 weeks, obviously it's not going to work. So you need to be very consistent and do this regularly in order to see amazing results from this. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video and you're going to take some action off of this. If you really appreciated what you've learned in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.